Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing for the Daily Goodie Box. This is a free box. You sign up and create a profile, and if you're selected, you get a bunch of samples, and they only ask that you review the products once you've had a chance to. And that's kind of what this little message at the top of the box says. Includes samples and full-size products. Remember to log in and review them. And also, I'll put all their information below, but I have heard you get a better chance of winning a box if you follow them and interact on social media. They give out a lot of boxes there. So, first thing on top says sleep, a bedtime ritual. Looks like maybe there was something attached to it. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like there's supposed to be a little vial. I'll set that aside. Oh, there it is. It's in the corner here. Says at bedtime, remove stopper and carefully tip the vial to release a drop onto the corner of your pillowcase or onto a handkerchief or tissue, slip inside the pillowcase. Or you could also use it during times of stress. So it looks like it just has essential oils that are supposed to be comforting and soothing. Kind of interesting. Huh. Lavender, cedarwood, all sorts of stuff in there. But that smells amazing. We have that. Also have, ooh, seafood rub. This is all natural, lemon pepper and herb. Seafood, salmon, chicken, or veggies. I will definitely use that. Nice. And that is a full-size item. Also have NeuroGum, Energy, Clarity, and Focus. It says there's 9 pieces in here. Let's see. Oh, okay. Yep. A little pack of that. Very cool. Also have stuff I can eat. That's my favorite. Bubba's Fine Food, Savory and Crunchy, Blazing Buffalo Nana Chips. Oh, I love banana chips, especially flavored one. It says it's vegan, no sugar added. Ooh, that's awesome. Very excited for that. Ooh, another one. Oh, awesome. This is full-size Sir Kensington's Chipotle Mayonnaise. Free-range eggs. And again, full-size item. This is a good box. Definitely going to use that. Love mayonnaise and Chipotle. Also have Herb Guru. This is a herbal tea. This is cranberry, pineapple, orange peel. Looks like all the flavors they have. Very cool. Excited for that. A few more things at the bottom here. We have a Minute Mixology Craft Cocktail Mixer. This is Margarita, Lime, plus Agave. Let's see what it says here. You mix 1 packet with 1.5 ounces of tequila and 4 to 6 ounces of water plus ice. That's cool. Awesome. Next we have Moist Rich Mascara. There's a promo code there on the front. Let's see what the wand looks like. That looks pretty good. Nice and thick. Can always use mascara. And then we have Ancient Herbs, Balance and Thrive. Huh. Probiotic and functional teas for wellness from Prevention and Organic India. Cool. That one's peppermint and ginger, caffeine free. This one has caffeine. Nice. And then Herbal Zap Immune Support, instantly dissolving herbal supplement. That came with a little brochure about their other products. And last in the box we have a little coupon code for Bubba's Food, which is the one that had the banana chips, and a $1 off coupon for Sir Kensington. I believe I've seen that at Target. I'm not sure if that's a brand they sell there, but I have seen it before. Just don't recall where. Very cool. Really great box this month. I have a playlist for this company if you want to see other kind of items I've gotten from them, but I will put all the information below in case you would like to sign up. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.